Grinding concrete with an angle grinder can be a challenging task, but with the right tools and techniques, it can be done safely and effectively. The first step is to choose the right type of grinding disc for your project. There are several types of grinding discs available, including diamond tip discs, which are ideal for grinding hard materials like concrete. Once you have the right disc, it's important to use the proper protective equipment, including a dust collection shroud. Before installing the shroud, make sure the power cord to the angle grinder is unplugged. Consult the angle grinder's user manual to remove the safety guard and any additional feature that will inhibit the shroud's installation. Center the shroud over the arbor, aligning the positive grooves of the shroud brackets with the negative grooves of the grinder's collar. Tighten the shroud's band clamp enough to keep the shroud from moving, but avoid over-tightening to prevent stripping the threads of the band clamp. Install the cup wheel. Ensure that there is not excessive space between the contact surface of the cup wheel and the brush of the shroud. Install spacers between the angle grinder mount and cup wheel to achieve 1/8 of an inch between the cup wheel contact surface and the brushes of the shroud. Ensure you are wearing proper protective gear, including earplugs, a dust mask, safety glasses, and gloves. Next, you'll need to prepare the concrete surface by cleaning it thoroughly and removing any loose debris. Once the surface is clean, attach the shroud to a vacuum with the proper required CFM. A vacuum needs to provide 25 CFM per inch of cup wheel diameter. A 5-inch cup wheel will require 125 CFM vacuum. Once you've powered on the vacuum, it's time to start grinding. Begin by holding the angle grinder with both hands and slowly lowering the disc onto the surface of the concrete. Move the angle grinder back and forth in a smooth motion, applying even pressure to the surface of the concrete. Be sure to keep the grinder moving at all times to avoid creating uneven or rough spots. Depending on the size of the area you're grinding and the depth of the material you need to remove, you may need to make multiple passes with the angle grinder. As you work, be sure to keep the angle grinder level and avoid applying too much pressure, as this can damage the surface of the concrete. Finally, once you've finished grinding the concrete surface, be sure to clean up any dust or debris using a vacuum or a wet dry vac. And that's it. With the right tools, technique, and protective gear, grinding concrete with an angle grinder can be done safely and effectively.